Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So in today's video, I have some lovely properties I want to show you, different price points in different parishes. So let's jump right into the video. The first house I want to show you is this one here, listed for 21 million Jamaican dollars, or US $136,443. Now you guys, you're gonna see the picture orientation kind of be a bit narrow, but I had to keep it this way so that you guys get the full scale of how large the property is and the house is and how high the roof looks. But it's not going to be like this for the entire video, so don't worry. The other properties will have the picture in like a landscape form. All right, so don't worry, but I couldn't change it. This is a 3-bedroom 2-bathroom located in Ensome, Meadows, Spanish Town. It sits on a lot size of 3,065 square feet. And this one is like move-in ready. As you can see, it's well maintained. All right, don't go fanky house. I'm not showing any fanky property in this video, okay? No fixer upper in this one. These ones are quite move-in ready, you guys. All right, so this one does have a spacious back and front veranda, you guys. As you could see from the first of the clips, the veranda really nice. It also comes with 3 AC units, you guys, 2 solar water heaters, security cameras installed, and it has like indoor laundry and a carport attached. You know, niceness. As I said, you guys, this one is quite move-in ready. Look at how much cabinetry and storage space you have in your kitchen. Man, you can tell, so them owners, them actually spend on this house. It's going for 21 million Jamaican dollars, you guys, or US $136,443. If you would like the conversion for the price of the house in different currencies, that will be in the link in the description box below. So also, to contact the realtor for this one, you'll have to click the link in the description box down below and send them a message. The description box is that area that's right below the title of this video. So for this one, it's a link. For the others that I'm going to show you, I'll give you contact numbers and names and email addresses. So again, this is the community. That's a nice overview of the community. Let's hop on over to St. James, and I am one of those persons truly guilty of saying like Montego Bay. Everywhere to me in St. James is Montego Bay, but I really have to stop. But this one is actually in Montego Bay. So this house is listed for 21 million Jamaican dollars, or US $136,443. It's an apartment, I should say. All right, it's located in Mango Walk, Montego Bay, St. James, in a gated community, which is quite close to, you know, Montego Bay Hit Strip, all that lovely entertainment area. You know, it's close to the airport again. Do you guys just pick up on that little countertop trick that they did? Looks like them use a little, looks like a little laminate, or a little, could be even like a contact paper to give it like this marble effect. But as you guys can see, this is a well-maintained, well-kept apartment. This is quite move-in ready, you guys. This one is a lovely one, and that's why I really wanted to show you. Just probably need to put in a little bit more upper cabinetry. That's what I would do, but you don't have to. If you're interested in this one, you guys, you're going to reach out to the realtor Joan Lee at 876-871-0444, or email her at jlee@remax-elite.com.jm. Now, you guys have been killing me about Saint Anne every day. Saint Anne. So, okay, I got Saint Anne property for you guys. And this one, I think, is a really lovely deal. This house is listed for 32 million Jamaican dollars, or US $207,914. It's a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom property, and it also has a bonus room that can be, used for various things, probably like a little office or so on. Located in Village Green, Drax Hall. Yes, Drax Hall, St. Anne. Now, this house sits on a lot size of 4,880 square feet, and it's located in a gated complex in Drax Hall, Village Green. Now, you guys, that picture that you saw with me at the beginning of the video, that was from my little St. Anne trip that I took on Ash Wednesday. And when I was driving through Drax Hall, oh my God, so much development. I shot a video probably 1 year ago, what was happening down there and all the development. But you guys, apart from the new Knutsford Plaza and then the one beside Knutsford with the KFC, apart from those, let me tell you, there are so many other complexes going up right in that Drax Hall vicinity. I was so shocked. I think I see China Harbor Engineering on one project, and then across the road, listen, I saw about 5 or 6 projects going on for development in Drax Hall. So I still think you're not going to be early to real estate in Drax Hall. I think you're in the mid area, and I think you still have a lot of return to get on a house if you purchase now in Drax Hall. Still have returns to get. All right, so back to the house, you guys. As you can see, the bedrooms are quite spacious. Even this secondary one, it can hold 2 beds, so great for someone who has kids, a nice family home. The bathrooms are decently sized, right? I believe this is a little bonus room that they were mentioning. You could use this as an office. You could use this as a gym. It's up to you. Could be a nursery for a baby. Okay, you guys, just follow along with me. So probably you just have a few updates to do with the bathroom. I would definitely get some cabinetry and some more storage in the bathroom. Look at this outdoor area. Oh my God, so tranquil, so beautiful, looks so peaceful. Oh my God, you guys, if you're interested in this one, okay, let me finish telling you about it. So it boasts a laundry room, a small room that can be used as an office, as I said, and all of that niceness. Now, if you're interested in this one, you guys, you're going to reach out to Charmaine Deane at 876-573-6284. Now, oftentimes you guys complain about not getting through to the realtors, so I'm going to list someone else who has this listed, another realtor. Paulette Bedward at 876-823-1545. You could also email her at paulettebedward@kellerwilliamsjamaica.com. Okay, you guys, so just look at this. Look at your front porch. No, I see myself in this house. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm a St. Anne girl, and I just feel like this is how I should be living in St. Anne, especially now because the lot sizes in St. Anne can start at guys, with 7 million for a lot in St. Anne. Nothing on it. Nothing at all. 7, 10, 12, 15 million. Nothing at all. That's crazy. So if you're interested in this one, you know what to do. Call or send an email. Now, the last property I have to show you in this video today is in the good old faithful Portmore community in the Portmore area. Now, you guys, this one is listed for 17 million Jamaican dollars, or US $110,454. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house that's on a lot size of 1,876 square feet. As you can see, this house is, decently maintained. It's located on Northwest 2nd Avenue in Greater Portmore. Is it just me, or the Portmore addresses, boy, them sound so strange sometimes. They're so confusing. But This is in the greater Portmore area, and it's close by the new Price Mart. So if you guys didn't know, yes, a new Price Mart went up in Portmore. So yeah, Portmore have a nice Price Mart. No, you don't have to drive into Kingston to get, you know, a little Price Mart in your goods. There's one in Portmore if you didn't know. All right, and it's close by also to the Sovereign Village. Now this house does have room for expansion to the front, and as you can see, you have this lovely little indoor laundry area, which is always good. Now if you're interested in this one, you guys, you're going to reach out to the Allison Peter and Company at 876-927-4724. That's Allison Peter and Company at 876-927-4724 to grab this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, $17 million house located in Greater Portmore. Okay, so you guys, I will have some YouTube shorts coming up during the week with more houses. Yes, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, send this video to someone you know who is looking for a house, you know, someone who's in the market shopping around. All right, you guys, have a blessed Lenten period. You can tell me in the comments what you guys are giving up for Lent. I haven't quite decided what I'll be giving up yet, but I want to hear from you guys. And until my next video, bye guys.